Hello guys and welcome back to Matt Tech channel. Today we are going to be learning how to temporarily deactivate the Instagram account. If you want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, follow these steps. First of all, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on Setting and Privacy. In Setting and Privacy, you can see here Account Center. Tap on it. Scroll down and tap on Personal Details. In Personal Details, you can see here Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account and tap on Deactivate Account and scroll down. Tap on Continue. Enter your password in password field. After that, tap on continue and follow the further instruction to deactivate your Instagram account. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.